I like two stocks. Lupin has been doing very well, seen good consolidation, seen a breakout at levels closer to 890, further breakout again at 920, and there's no reason why it cannot go to around levels closer to 990 or 1000. That's the target. It should go up. Only thing is chase it. Chase Lupin with a stop below 920 and trade long. Another stock that I like for today is ICICI Bank. It's more of a conditional buy. I would say ICICI Bank is positive only if it starts to trade about 955. Jump in the bank and if it starts 955. Possibly we could see targets closer to 1000. In that event, have a stop below 935. But I'm not buying unless it crosses 955.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Tata Global in the cash segment at 158 levels. I would hold all these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 156, expecting to book profits at 162.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy on Tata Motors in the cash segment at 370 levels, holding all long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 367, expecting to book profits at 376 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy Petronet October futures at 127 levels, holding all long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 125.5, expecting to book profits at 130 or end of the session, whichever comes first. A word of caution here, being a weekend session, all fresh trades may be initiated with lower than normal exposure levels, because the volatility, especially towards the last hour of trade, might just spike up a little higher.
We've seen last 2-3 days metal stocks have been more or less sideways and they have been consolidating their gains. Sesa has seen a very strong rally from 140 levels to about 180, 190 levels. There is a clear sideways rectangular pattern which is appearing in Sesa Goa. So from a clear price perspective, this appears to be a consolidation largely which will give way to an uptrend. So I think in the range of about 184 to 188, Sesa is a good buy with a stop loss below 182. Another idea that we are looking at is to sell DLF. We have seen a good rally, good recovery in a lot of real estate stocks. DLF is one big laggard. If we compare it to the index returns, DLF is one of the underperformers across the scoring basket that we have. So any rise towards 150 to 154, which it has done, I think is a good level to go short in DLF. On the lower end, possibly DLF should head towards 130 to 135 levels, which is a more probable support level for DLF. Right now it has retraced about 50% of the rally that we saw in the making in the month of September and October. So I think these levels are ripe for a short trade in DLF.
A buy in Rallies India, stop loss of 153.50, target of 170. A buy in NIIT Tech, stop loss 295, target 325. And for FNO traders, a buy in Federal Bank October futures, stop loss 310, target 324.